smash that like button.
J Blends. Damn, J Blends. Ring that bell. Damn, J Blends.
What's up, everybody? I just wanted to basically kind of like show what the Nixon watch was that I keep seeing on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, mad advertisement, and definitely those things definitely catch my eye. So I wanted to basically show you guys kind of what it looked like and what the quality was, because that's what I was curious about. I bit the bullet, I went for it, it looked sick. I read the reviews. The reviews said that it was a good watch, but it was very dark considering how expensive it was, LED lights, all that. So basically the light on the watch is the big thing that everybody's complaining about, but other than that, everybody said they loved the actual watch. So as you can see, this is what we got here. I took a couple links out so it fit my wrist. Get a good view there, but basically, I mean, it's pretty Glock. It's nice. It's put together well, I think. And then there's the actual face to it. So as you can see, I do have the sticker on there. So I'm gonna figure out how to. As you take the sticker off, hopefully get it to stay. It might get a little better. And see what's up with that. There's a silent mode. So, like I said, it looks dope. It's pretty Glock. It feels pretty. It feels like, you know, it's got some definite stature to it. So, all in all, so far from just getting it today and unboxing it, I'm loving it. It's pretty dope, and we'll see how it works with actually telling time and timers and stuff. I mean, I have an iWatch, so we'll see how much I wear it, how much I, you know, but I feel like Well, I'm gonna wear it because I'm gonna make an attempt, you know, I'm gonna make it a purpose to wear it. So, but all in all, man, for the price tag on it, comparatively, it's not that bad. I mean, my iWatch costs probably twice as much as this thing, but it does probably 5 times as much as this thing. But for a Nixon watch that I'm sure all of you guys are seeing on the Instagram, it's pretty dope. Like I said, it's put together very well. I like it. I think it's worth it. So if you're a watch guy, I think bite the bullet and get the cash, man. Put that cash forward and get this watch. But I just want to show you guys what I thought, because I was kind of skeptical, and then I just kept, I don't know if it's worth it. And eventually I bit the bullet, bought it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, you know, leave a comment. Bit the bullet, bought it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, you know, leave a comment. If you see this later on, after the date that I posted it, ask if what I still think about it. I'll try and answer and let you know. But if you basically see it in any of my videos on my wrist, then that means that it's all good. So, thanks guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Hope that helped anybody out that's on the fence about it. But hashtag Nixon, watch is sick. Peace. Smash that like button.
J Blends.